Gemini Upanishad Brahmana, unveiling the spiritual mysteries and inner realities of the Samveda. The Gemini Upanishad Brahmana, an enigmatic section of the Samveda, offers profound insights into the interplay between rituals and spiritual wisdom. This article delves into the essence of the Gemini Upanishad Brahmana, exploring its composition, ritualistic importance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards the deeper realms of self-discovery and cosmic understanding. Brief overview. Embedded within the verses of the Samveda, the Gemini Upanishad Brahmana beckons seekers to explore the intricate connection between rituals and spiritual enlightenment. This collection of texts transcends the mere performance of rituals, inviting individuals to explore the hidden dimensions that link their actions to the universal order. Composition and structure. The Gemini Upanishad Brahmana, also known as the Gemini Upanishad, is meticulously structured into chapters that delve into rituals, their significance, and their correlation with the cosmos. Named after the sage Gemini, this Brahmana provides insights into the spiritual and philosophical dimensions of rituals. Ritualistic significance. At its core, the Gemini Upanishad Brahmana serves as a guide to understanding the rituals practiced during the Vedic era. It details the procedures, mantras, and symbolic actions of these rituals. Yet, these rituals are not mere ceremonies. They act as channels to establish a connection with divine energies and resonate with the cosmic harmony. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Gemini Upanishad Brahmana transcends the surface layer of rituals, delving into their symbolic depths. Rituals are considered microcosmic reflections of macrocosmic principles, and symbolic actions are interpreted to reveal profound spiritual truths. This allegorical approach transforms rituals into gateways for profound introspection, spiritual insights, and philosophical reflections. Interwoven with rituals and symbolism are philosophical contemplations that broaden the understanding of spiritual truths. The Brahmana reflects on the nature of existence, the interconnectedness of all life, and the path to self-realization. These insights guide seekers towards deeper insights into the cosmic order. Harmony with the cosmic order. The Gemini Upanishad Brahmana emphasizes the theme of harmony with the cosmic order. By engaging in rituals with a deeper awareness of their symbolic significance, individuals harmonize their actions with the universal rhythms, fostering a sense of unity with the cosmos. Enduring relevance. In the contemporary world, the teachings of the Gemini Upanishad Brahmana continue to be relevant and transformative. Its emphasis on the fusion of rituals, symbolism, and philosophical contemplation offers a comprehensive approach to spiritual exploration. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the mundane and the transcendent, nurturing a profound connection to both the ritualistic practices and the profound metaphysical dimensions. Conclusion. The Gemini Upanishad Brahmana stands as a testament to the profound integration of rituals and spiritual insights within the Samveda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, rituals, and contemplative practices, we embark on a transformative journey. The Brahmana invites us to uncover the layers of meaning within rituals, bridging the gap between the external and the internal, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.